Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a hyperlink in Google Docs application. So let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application and here you install the Google Docs application. So here you can see that I have already installed this app. After installing, then open the app. Then here you click on add icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on new document. Then here you can see that I have written something. Here you just tap and hold on a word and then select the text which you want to turn into a hyperlink. So here I will select this part of the text. After that, click on three dots. Then click on insert link. After that, here you enter your link. Here I will add a video download link which I have already copied. So here I will just paste the link from here. Then click on check mark icon at the top right corner. Now my hyperlink has been created successfully. Now if I share it to someone and if someone click on the highlight part of the text, then they can download this video file easily. Now if you want to share your text to someone, then click on three dots at the top right corner. After that, click on share and export. Then click on send a copy option. After that, here you select a format. Here I will select PDF format. Then click on OK. And now I will share it to WhatsApp. So here I will select WhatsApp. Now as an example, if I share this file to my friend's account, and then if my friend click on the highlight part of the text, then he can easily download this video which I have linked in. If you don't know how to create a download link, then I have given a link in the description of this video. You can click on that link to watch the video on how to create a link. So by this process you can create a hyperlink in Google Docs from mobile easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.